What you guys are about to see is a whole series of videos from the beginning. We're in July, but this series started in December, January, somewhere there, and I'm just now continuing on. So sit back and enjoy, because I am going to post them twice a week until we are caught up, till we're done. And that video involves this. Sit back, watch them all, enjoy them, and watch the end result. You're gonna love it. All right, counting on y'all. All right, day number 2. The goal today is to finish moving the sand from over there. Oh, why can't I flip this over? Why doesn't it do that? Keep moving the sand from over here, and standing where this post is, it should go right up to that one. So I'll have from that line pretty much there back to move the sand over. Then next week get some railroad ties, put them in here to keep the sand from washing away whenever it storms. But I'm gonna do this today, finish up, pull the tarp back over it, because we're expecting rain next week, so it doesn't wash away. And then this whole area right here, once the pool is in place, gotta prep for an actual deck, so I can actually lock this thing up when I'm not here. That 2x4 should be 18 feet long, and I'm going to use that as my leveling stick since I don't have somebody to help me like screed it. I'm going to try something here and see if it works. Don't pay attention to that nose in the background. Kids being kids. I hope this works. I want to go back up to the garage for another bit. I gotta get another bit. This shit dull as hell. Let's go sit down. Using some parachute cord to tie that end to the post, and it took me a couple trials, but you got to put 2 holes in it. If you have a regular round stake, I would say about 2 feet, you could drive it in the ground and put like a conduit strap on the back of a 2x4 to help you, spin it. Just put some weight on the end of it. But it's working good so far. Like I say, it took me a couple tries. Right in front of the 2x4 right there is high, so I gotta shovel some of this further down and keep going. Then what I'll do is switch this to the other side and work my way back from that way, kind of filling the middle. But yeah, it's working so far. Just have a post or a stake that you can use, and you got to do it by yourself. When you got no choice, that's what you got to do. All right, so this is from between the fence panel As you can see, somewhat getting there. I think the block's gonna be in the way down here. Oh no, somewhat. We're getting there. We are slowly getting there. That's where we are. I'm gonna go fold that underlayment back up, pull it over it, just in case I don't touch it again. So the water doesn't wash it away. And that'll be the end of this video.